Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Himalayan 411 with us, which has come in this matte beige shade. Now, the matte color is a little difficult to maintain if you're not careful. तो आप यहाँ ceramic करा सकते हो या PPF करा सकते हो. ये वाले customer का requirement था कि उनको काफ़ी touring करना है. And this bike should be used for touring. अगर आप city purpose के लिए ये वाली bike ले रहे हो, it doesn't really make sense. तो इस पे करने वाले हैं full paint protection film. Now, to install a paint protection film on a tank like this, जिसका shape is not the regular shape and it's a little spread out, you have to put it in at least 2 to 3 parts ताकि खुले ना, because bike पे PPF खुलने का chance बहुत high रहता है. There are a lot of bubbles that come in, so you have to be very careful with the application. And अगर इसको 3 पीस में भी डालना है, you have to do it. There is no option ताकि बाद में खुले ना और bubbles ना आए. So we're going to be doing a full installation on this bike, on all the painted surfaces, on the speedometer, on the headlight. जहाँ हम लगा सकते हैं इसके protection के लिए. Now we can't do paint correction since it's matte, so we're going to do a good decontamination wash to clear the bike of everything, and then do the PPF application. So a very short process that way. So let's catch you in the first stage, which is the decontamination wash. Hi guys, we're finally done with the bike. आपने देख लिया है from start to end what we've done with the bike. I've spoken throughout the video, so I'm going to do less talking now. I'm going to ask the owner of the bike to say how he liked the bike, how it looks now, and how you really went for PPF over ceramic based on your need and what should people really get done. That's what you can tell him.
Yes, I just bought it and I wanted to do a PPF because you know when going off-roading this might get scratches and everything. So Ankit helped me and explained me what is the process and how it would be applied and what all would be done. Okay, and the job is well done, no complaints at all, and yeah, that's a bit.
What do you recommend people who are looking out to buy the Himalayan on this category? How did you like it so far? Like a very initial review of the bike.
So this is a good bike. Okay, the suspension is good, the seating is good. The low end is a bit clumsy, but at the top end after 3000 RPM it is.
It really starts pulling.
It starts pulling up.
Yeah. Why this bike?
So something with Royal Enfield, I had to bring it, and then I had waited for almost a year.
Okay.
Seeing its review coming up, its testing videos coming up. And
So
finally,
that's why the Himalayan.
That's why the
450.
Himalayan.
Are you going to buy the 650 when that comes too?
Let's see. Not a plan, but after a long time, I'm coming back on the bikes.
Good, good. And we're glad. This is a really good bike to be a second starter bike.
Absolutely.
Done. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much.